new players about Kotoko, they are not money to succeed because you've been there before. Advice been to the new players about Kotoko.
Like a new environment. I'm a bit more pressure and any like coach and any other stuff, you know. But yeah, no Kotoko no epi demand. Tiankuya like they will come after you. But no matter more, I'm keep on because Kotoko ni team I always say be a me ball. So you give 100%. Kuya, you feel like a king. And Kuya, they are more fun. And I say yes, more confidence and so like yen chill more. And Fakrana befa, but Kotoko ni keep players. So what I say, I know Kotoko no. The more team, the more we keep players. No question never. But first season only easy because of pressure near there, but you know about 1, 2, 3 now Kuya. Into the message coaching staff no more for confidence in your boys and supporters and the boy no more behind the scene. So what I say, no I say no up pack or open demand. But coaching technical staff and they say more manage boys ni no more say supporters you know. You mama and that means some best at drop. Try some be your best. Now boys na give you my best and my supporters and Kotoko supporters there. Ubuni ya like I come to back and you really enjoy it.
More time then I'm a local league, you know. Now a year da more match be and stadium you full say the entesa.
Then we answer with the winning nyamna meka. Sans and the winning. Oh, me for now I don't know like Jamale in cost, but I think say I'm out for losing more interest in Ghana football and like problem in the mean for now because the no crown I think more like exciting like yes in the public because social media before no. Before they like who be visa social media and other stuff, but and then opportunity now but still I'm from and generation and so and also can me generation ever no focus so more attention what other things in your ball like the team league near more attractive on beba so what I say because and obi bibia we ni any beba so what I say but we yes uja say said the tiena so I say before no now man for ni premiership a lot of leagues near the Argentina omo football no on the generation so na and no man be bring you so what I say Argentina be more attention kwa football but no attention me fan Chelsea be a league na nya papa ntino mama no omo focus on attention o hwem kra na omo bana obi on ma what it been so phone so
yeah compete with other activities
yes bibi sana mekano no only sports and no kra na about the more na penyom so what you say baston omo pebo o de bi on pese omo tiebo so share no ma nye bibi we organize but am for about be share so what you say nti e wo say league no so that you form the about no attendance no be me engineer say dey no point yes a funny solution about attraction no about football
you say military combining football and that as all of a sudden a shocking sunrise no but you munche mukakra
because you really I mean prepared but I want to say football no my passion like me in football and my born but football no me dey like echo form no na me SM focus to attention to ade na me dream say me so what I say na me Dominic Diana ne we school if on say ne friend soldier like on say like no I say soldier no and the mama person dem yeah me do US no now I really say opportunity no I meet me I join now so why not let me try. It's kind of